Any other comment? We have time maybe for one more question. Yes, please.
One's not a question, one's a comment.
You want the answer to the gentleman question, or?
I think he was making, he was making a suggestion. It wasn't a question. I didn't understand it as a question.
Okay, I just want to answer because I just got a little bit from him what we're.
Okay.
See,
We'll get back to you in a minute.
The world is a global village, and everyone has to go hand in hand. And as my friend from here, he was telling that even the sanctions are applying to the regional players here in this market as well. So don't misunderstood. That's first of all what I was trying to say here about the retention locally when it comes to. Of course, there are practices which does not allow, as per United Nations sanction, even European or US sanction, not to talk about, that affect to everyone, even locally, regionally and globally, that we had to, because of the, and then Iran at the moment, unfortunately, my friend, I believe, because you come from Iran, yes, so you are affected, undoubtedly, and then if we talk about before the revolution, which you have given all those the names. Of course, Iran was a major player in the global market those days, which you are reflecting and you are giving those references. And unfortunately, today, even if we go, or the insurance companies that think of private-public partnership with the companies in Iran, they are not supposed to, and because of the sanctions, they can't. There are limitations to work with. And at the same time, Iran, after the revolution, it went to nationalize the insurance companies or in Iran. And whereas at those particular point of time, there were a lot of international players in Iran, and they were said to go out of Iran, or they pulled out from Iran, rather I should say. And then again, recently, again Iran started changing the regulation for the insurance companies, and then there came a lot of other private players in Iran, which from the insurance side I'm talking about, which they came in Iran, and now you can see a few more players in Iran. So the risk is distributed, of course, in Iran, but with the Iranian companies at the moment. This is your the first question which you asked, and that's the answer, that unfortunately we have to abide the law. And if we have to change the regulation, we all have to sit together and convince United Nations, all the big brother, to join hand together, with Iran. So we can't do much there. Yes, we can, there are means and ways which we say, but here we all are from the same, we are all in the same boat, and if you suffer, we also get the impact here. I do understand the effect of the sanctions, what is happening. UAE, if we talk about, we are your close neighbor, and the most of the business which we are losing from Iran is the UAE, which is very close neighbor here. But unfortunately, we can't do much on that side. But what I brought it and was telling was for the vessel owners who are outside Iran, and then if we talk about the vessels which are working, or the assets which are working in Iran, whether we can do something there. That was the debate. And of course, I come to conclusion that yes, unless these sanctions are going to change, then only we can help out. Otherwise, I don't think in the near possibility there is something going to happen.
Okay. Thank you, Aftab. Have any questions here?
Comment. We're businessmen, we're not politicians. And let's just remember that the politicians have decided to bring these sanctions against certain countries. And whether you talk about Iran, Syria, Libya, or whatever, the sanctions are there for a reason. And that's to drive a change which is more fundamental than a business transaction. And I don't think we as a business community should be considering ways to circumnavigate a much greater need, which is driving change in those countries, which is a political change. And I think let's stick to business and not politics.
Okay, thank you very much. Great. Thank you very much. It was a very juicy discussion, to say the least, just before lunch. I think, are we having lunch now?
Now we've got 2 more sessions.
2 more sessions? Yeah. At Deloitte we eat lunch early, so...
While you're too hungry.
So thank you very much for this privilege again, and thank you for your participation. I thank all the panels for their time and their contributions. Thank you.